You people are behaving as if Solaine is my blood relative. I owe this lady no obligation. She didn't push me out of her vagina. Sunday or not, it could be crucifixion Sunday. I was still coming out and speak. Who do you people think you are? Disgrace you. Disgrace you. You of all people shouldn't be calling my name in. My name is too good for you. You're calling Plankaba's name because clearly you want Planka Nation to come back in your corner and watch you. They will never watch you. They will never watch you. You may still have 1 and 2. However, the majority will never watch you. What you used to have. Never. Anything I put out on you on social media, it was true. This is why you're constantly staying in your feelings. Every opportunity you get, you draw. Dwayne. Deweisha. Go and put yourself together. Invest in some clothes. I keep on telling you, invest in a good wardrobe. Every time you come out, look at yourself. If I was you, I would be ashamed to be a social media platform holder, carrying myself the way you carry yourself. What are you doing with the money you're making on social media? What are you doing with the monies you're making on social media? This same money you're chasing, what exactly are you doing with it? You're clearly not investing in your damn self because every other day you come and look like dog doo-doo. This is what you wanted, right? This is exactly what you wanted, right? This is what you wanted. Who do you think you are? You are the perfect definition of a disgrace to the human race. And I kid you not. I feel sorry for you. I feel sorry for you, dirty girl. I feel sorry for you. If I was you, don't you see how even your skin, it looks so flaky every time you come on social media? Invest in some lotion. Invest in some good body oils to make yourself, put yourself together. Join a Weight Watchers class. That same lose weight thing you're selling on your page, buy them for yourself. I'm a damn man, and I kid you not, I look 10 times better than you. You are someone, I'm not going to go that low. I'm not going to go that low. I see what's bothering you. You are so bothered because the Planka Nation are no longer in your corner. Why are you fighting for Planka Nation views why? Why, dirty girl? Why? You think you scare me, right? You think you scare me. You can't scare me. Looking like you. I'm going to tell you again, invest in a wardrobe. Invest in a stylist and a good makeup artist. The difference between me and you, never once have I ever used Solaine to build nothing. You, on the other hand, you claim you used to help her. Why did you stop? Why did you stop? Is it because she fell from grace? Is that why you stopped assisting her with whatever little you was helping her with? Is that why? The difference between me and you, I continued. I continued when everyone else stopped. I persisted. God sees and knows my heart and knows anything I've done for anyone on social media. I've done that from the goodness of. I don't have to. Bear in mind, I don't have to. However, I still do. Why do I do it? Why? My heart tells me to do a lot of things. If my spirit don't take you, I'm not going to help you. However, I still help a lot of people. I kid you not. I'm 100% sure my humanitarian accolades, it goes way, way further than. How many people's life have you impacted? You disgraced girl. How many? How many people's lives have you impacted, disgraceful girl? You can't chastise me. Don't you see me going from strength to strength? Don't you realize I am blessed and highly favored? And trust me, God is not going to bring me this far to turn away from me. Back to you, old lady. I'm going to tell you again. Go back to the